I'm just trying to fit in the camera because part of my head was cut off.
Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. That's not...
That was weird.
Hey guys, we are going to the market today. So I decided to vlog.
Hello.
That's my sister Kelly. Or Kelly's shade.
Hi.
Look at Kelly's lips. I decided not to put lipstick on, just a lip balm. Don't kiss me. No.
Get a red kiss on your head.
No.
And everyone knows how much you are loved.
We're on our way to the market, and why we have a baby goat in the van is because we are selling him. We actually sold him, basically. This lady is buying him to be friends with her horses. So she is bringing him to the market with us to go home.
Mommy, look at the baby groundhogs.
And there's some baby groundhogs over there. Let's see if I can zoom up on them.
Can you see them a little bit?
There's a little bit, it's that little movement over there. See
There's
that
3 of them.
little,
There's 4!
Right there.
No, there's a 4th baby.
There's some groundhogs over there.
Aww. To the pike area. To get eaten by a pike.
Did we sell lots?
No.
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 No, it's not good.
No, but you know what? It was still really awesome to come to because we have friends and it's cool to just
Kai, can you pass me my purse?
Did you have a
Yeah,
good
I
time?
bought a bunch.
No.
I lost a lot of my money.
Tell them why you lost a lot of your money.
All this.
You like that?
Yeah, I like
I
this.
got
have
this,
my new
but
little
I don't
purse
even have
from,
an
I
iPod
bought
yet.
some stuff from Mommy.
Kaya, pass me my purse, please.
Oh,
Where
actually,
is
let's
it?
check to see if it's all this.
Stick a nail
I'm
in
not
the
calm.
We're gonna have to stick a nail in the wall in the hallway then.
Yes.
She bought all this.
I bought a bunch of things, lots for Mom, and a mirror for
Yes,
the
I
hallway.
appreciate that.
Your mommy gets everything.
Because she gave birth to us, so she gets everything.
Is that why we buy her every a lot of things? She gave
Mother's
birth
Day.
to us. It's Father's,
Father's Day.
I know. I mean, it was for my, like, I gave her a
You
card.
didn't get me a birthday present. You should give me
No, you don't count.
Show them what you got.
You didn't give birth to me.
that. How do you? I'm just.
We weren't even around.
You weren't even
I wasn't even
around.
around.
Show them your, what's it called? Your
Let's see.
iPod thing.
I don't
Oh,
have
I don't have one, but look, this is what I'm gonna do.
I don't
It's
have.
so cute, isn't it?
I don't have an iPod yet. Maybe next month. But
I don't think I will have. I don't know. We'll
But
see how much
I got this.
I like
Whole
that
thing.
one.
I know it was my favorite.
It goes good
Oh.
with my iPod.
Well, you know what?
Let's see, Kaya.
She could probably make you one.
Yeah.
She can probably make you one just like that, or
No different.
to your
Liking.
Look,
liking,
Kaya.
or
Let's
maybe
see.
even I could.
What's yes?
Somewhere there's got to be keys.
What's no?
Is the keys in the thing over there?
It might be in it.
I had them in here. Did I?
Kaya, I'm gonna see. Will Kaya get lots of YouTube subscribers from this video? No. Sorry, Kaya.
You're moving your head.
No, I'm not. Look at it.
So where is our stop?
We're picking up Tyrion, and then we're going to feed him at the water.
They don't know who Tyrion is.
No, we're going to give him some water at the Herkit Cove.
They don't know who Tyrion is.
It's nice and
Tell them
warm.
what
Goat.
the baby goat we were
Someone
trying to
was
sell,
supposed
but
to
no,
buy,
the
coming
person
by.
did not pick him up. So
Pikes are attracted to shiny things. Dangle your necklace in
No!
the water and see if a pike will come.
I am not doing
Then
that.
grab it. Oh, you're so weird.
yes, we are.
It said, I like took part not walking. It said the king. Like, you know, the dead king.
The dead king.
Scorpion.
I think I'm just gonna, you know, those little clips at the beginning.
turn these
Because I
into
don't really
charms.
need them, so I think I'm just gonna do a one take, maybe. What do you think?
These persons
A one take is you film the whole thing, no editing, nothing. So that'd be fine.
Why not? Let me see what the guys look like.
It'd be easier. I already have to edit a video, a vlog. I might not be, depending on how it turns out, upload it or not.
Emily's coffin.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Give them a haul
Kinda
of
like-
what you got.
It's a Walking Dead jewelry box. However,
Who
I'm gonna
buys
use it.
the
It looks like a
Walking Dead
coffin.
jewelry box?
I don't know.
Who
People
would
that
buy
loves
that?
Walking Dead. What else did you get?
Well, Kyle,
I got a mirror for the hallway for the girls.
Show them.
I can't exactly. It's in the bag there.
Mom,
I've got some
good.
jewelry, the earrings, the bracelet, a few necklaces, a pendulum. What did you say?
nothing.
And a little
Mom.
baggie.
We're going to end up passing Herkit Cove when we're driving to Kirsten, so we have to turn around and then take him to the water hole to get eaten by a pike.
Water hole.
Yeah, nice stuff.
You're a bit crazy.
Do I still have lipstick on my cheek from you? Yes.
No.
That would have been funny. I'm seeing a little kissy mark on your cheek because of that.
Baby dear.
Stick Emily in there. Or stick a
Tell them
shrunken
who
head.
Emily is. They probably don't know. You're saying
Emily
put
is-
Emily in there.
Manga Pandora Heart's character.
No, stick a shrunken head in it.
I don't have a shrunken head.
You can
Yes.
buy one.
I cannot.
Stick all your raven feathers in it.
Stick all your ravens. Stick your
Or the dead raven
in it.
in it. The headless dead raven.
Don't give her
Everybody on
ideas.
YouTube will know you like a lot of weird
She has a dead raven that's headless.
and bones and rocks. And if you guys are wondering what she has a dead raven, we found it on our property at our farm. So Kelly just picked it up and brought it into her room. So,
It's in her room!
And you have not noticed?
I've never seen it. You have to show me.
It's in a bucket right now, and I don't think it could fit in there. I don't think.
Does it have anything over the bucket?
My snow pants.
Okay, you have to show me.
Now I'll
it's
wear-
gonna
There,
decompose
Mom,
in your
there's
room. Huh?
Herkit Dog. We'll pick it, Tyrion up, and then go to Herkit Dog. I can't wait to go fishing on it, though. For that.
Yeah, in our little boat.
You guys go get your fishing license soon.
I don't need a fishing license
Neither do
until I'm
I'm
18,
13.
so I have to get it next year.
I'm
But I don't do a lot of fishing, so
Kaya, I'm 13. I don't need one. That's right, folks. I'm 13. I act like I'm a superhero, but I'm not.
yeah. What did it say again?
Sometimes she acts like a 5-year-old boy.
It's me!
My eyebrows hurt.
What
Yeah,
did you
she
do
acts
to your eyebrows?
Nothing.
You
They
bet-
don't hurt.
Tootsie.
You know what? I should have gotten those eyelash curlers.
I know.
I'm curious about that.
I was tempted
Alright,
to buy
we do
some
not
at the
wear
dollar
makeup,
store.
except she does occasionally, but we do not wear makeup, so it's
Mom,
kind of weird, and we're like interested. What does
Fascinated
this
by it.
do?
we're fascinated by what it does, because we don't know what it does.
Yeah, we're weird.
Mom,
Are you? Why are you facing the camera always at me now?
I'm facing to you too.
It's doesn't. I don't think she's there.
Yes, I can see it.
Mom, do you want me to pick up an eyelash curler? I was tempted to buy something, a makeup and brushes at the dollar store last time. A few days ago. Was it yesterday? No, it was the day for that.
It was named for that because we had a party yesterday.
Was
Birthday
it yesterday?
party.
Wednesday.
Not
Birthday
party.
party.
I said.
We don't party.
Kelly laughing.
Yeah, birthday party for a 5-year-old girl. So yeah.
We partied hard.
Well, next week there's gonna be a 19-year-old. So.
And how
Yeah,
many
not
days?
making her cake, which is
5
not-
days?
Mommy said she eats
Is
my
it 5 days, Kelly's
Yeah,
birthday?
It's 2.
Mine's 10, I think. Yeah, it's 10.
Kaiya, don't be a hogger.
I'm not hugging it.
You're hogging. Don't look at
The
me.
camera's not me.
No, don't look at me.
Look at you.
We're going to pick up Tilly and the goat.
It was nice staying here. For- Mika and I staying here for a while.
That was nice. Mom,
Did you miss us?
Yeah. 2 weeks was a long time.
For 16 days.
Mom, there's Chris's place. Slow down.
There's a lot.
We were staying here for 16 days in February.
Farm City.
And it's interesting. Right?
Is anybody here?
No.
The door's open. Can I see Tilly?
Turkeys!
Where is she? She shouldn't be there.
Tilly!
We had to drop off one of our
Mom,
goats.
I see big whites.
Alright, I'm gonna keep this on so you guys can see what is happening.
They're coming towards us.
This is our friend's farm that Mika and I looked after in February. We stayed here for 16 days, babysitting them. That's Zoe. Wait, is that Mama? Yeah, that's Mama. Mama, Maya, Zoe, Tilly, turkeys. Hey, Tilly. Hey, Mama. Hey, turkeys. Tyrion. And the goat that we left here while we're at the market. Oh, look at the chickies. This is not a rover.
Hi!
Wish it was.
Hi, Tyrion's happy to see us.
Tyrion. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
He'll follow us to the van.
Alright, where's the leash?
In the van?
Come on, let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, Tyrion. Come on, Tyrion. Are you going to say bye-bye to your friends? They're all moms, so because he's a baby, they're all like, oh,
It
little baby.
would have been nice if you
Look
would
at
have
them.
them running around.
Yeah.
Come on, Tyrion.
Come on, Tyrion.
Tyrion. He doesn't want to leave the goats. He likes them. Oh, Mommy, he's coming. No, he wants to eat grass. Tyrion. Look at them, they're following us. Tyrion.
He's trying to go to the bathroom.
What is it? Oh. The chicken.
One chicken over there wanted to peck me. Look.
Which one?
That one. This one is cool.
Come on, we need to get going. Look at these guys, Americanas. And what kind are they? I don't know. But Mom, what kind are these guys? What kind? You don't know? I know those are for sure Americanas because we have them.
Yeah.
And those are mixed.
Yeah.
There's some red sex-lings, I think. And barred rocks. Those were our first breed of chickens we had. You remember?
Yeah.
Stop it. Alright, we need to get Tyrion to go to the ducks.
She's gonna cut her other.
That happens.
Oh,
there's this red mark on her other.
It's okay. She's.
Oh, it's bleeding.
Oh, that stuff kind of that happens at a farm. You get cuts.
He's saying, Mom, wait, Tilly wants to say bye to her.
Oh no, she's just gonna
cough. All right, the goat's gonna end the vlog. Like. Oh, that's cute.
She loves him. Who's that again, Maya? Maya's a pretty goat. Okay, come on, Tia. We have to go to the
Bye-bye.
Wait, Mom. Mom, are these
Maya says thumbs up the vlog,
might be built.
comment down below,
they're
and
smaller,
subscribe. They don't sound like that. What do they sound like? No. Bye.
turkeys?
Goodbye.
They come to people.